Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the kaiju from Godzilla, Kamakurus. Now, he's kind of like a giant praying mantis, and just a little bit, more tougher looking. So, I want to start over here with the eyes. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to make an oval shape like this for one eye. And then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw an oval shape like this for the other eye. And you can see they're kind of angled in. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line just right around the top of each one. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and then down like this. Now, starting down here, I'm going to draw another little curved line underneath each eye. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go up, down, and then back up like this for the face. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up and then down like this, and then up and then down like that. Now, starting right here, I'm going to add a line that just kind of goes down, over, and then up like this for the neck. And then right here, I'm just going to add a line that's just going to kind of curve around and come back up here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes here and then a line that goes down here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up, and then one that goes down and up right here. And then I'm going to make a long line that just goes down. It's going to curve around and then come back up. And then just kind of throw a nice little long line going down. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. It's going to go over. It's going to curve out and then back up. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. I'm going to curve down. And then I'm just going to go all the way down and up here, leave a little bit of space. And then just add a little curved line right in that space. Then starting here, you want to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come down. And then as you curve up, you want to add these kind of big, like little spike shapes in here. And then connect it to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. And then it's going to go up and curve up like this. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and then it's just going to curve down and up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to curve back up like this, and then come to the top right there. Then I'm just going to add some little kind of like spike shapes right around here. And then I'm going to add a few more little spike shapes over on this side. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to curve up like this. And then I'm going to make a line that goes out and down, and then over and then down like this. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to go down. It's kind of curve around here for one leg. Then you want to start here and draw a line that's going to go down, over, and then it's going to come up for another leg. Or another part of the leg, I should say. Then you want to make a line that goes out. It's going to curve over and then come back. And then you want to add a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to go down and then come back for one of the claws. And then you just want to put another one right behind it. And then he's going to have a little one back here too that just kind of does the same thing, curve down and then come up. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to go down to here. And then starting here, you want to draw a line that goes up. It's going to jump over this claw. And then it's going to go down. And it's going to kind of curve down and then come up, jump over it again. Kind of like the same shape as this one, just a little bit higher. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. It's going to make a little sad face, then it's going to go up and then in. Little line's going to go down, curve over, and then back up. I'm going to add another claw shape right here, and then one more behind it. And then a little one back here. Then starting here, draw a line that's going to go out, down, and over. Add a little curved line right up here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, up, and it's going to come back up here. Draw a line that goes down, kind of curves around and up. And then we'll make a little line that curves down for the foot, another little claw, and then a little one back here, just like we did on all these. Then I'm going to start here, draw a line that just kind of jumps around all these. And I'm going to curve out like this. And then I'm just going to bring this line back up to here. Then there's going to be a big spike that comes out here, and then a little bit smaller one right down here. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line just to kind of connect the body. And then right along here, he's got these big spikes. So you're going to curve out and then come in. And then I'm going to do this again. And then I'm just going to bring these all the way down to about here. Then he's got some really big spikes on his back too. So we're going to start here by the neck, and you just want to kind of curve up. Then I'm going to come down like this. I'm going to go right to this little spike here. Then I'm going to add another one that does the same thing. And I'm just going to kind of bring them all the way down. Then I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then down, out and down. And I'm just going to do the same thing all the way to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. I'm going to curve down. Then I'm going to come in like this for a wing. Add a little line right in here. And then right over here, there's just going to be another wing that's just going to kind of go down, and that's going to curve across. So this is our basic drawing of Kamacuras. Now what we want to do is we want to add all of the different details in here. So I'm going to go a little bit faster through this part. If I go too fast, just make sure to hit the pause button and slow down so you can catch up with everything. So right up here, I'm going to add a little spike on each side. And then I'm going to add a couple little kind of curved lines right around his eyes just to kind of add some detail. I want to make some little spikes kind of coming out of his mouth there. And then I'm just going to add like some extra little lines kind of around his mouth just for some detail. Put a little curved line right here. And then a little line just kind of goes right down the head. I'm going to add like these big antennas coming out the top of his head. On the arms, I'm just going to add a few broken lines in a couple spots. And these just kind of make it look like the arm kind of has like some dimensions, or it's got little bits of bends and curves in it. Little things like this. I'm going to add some little curved lines right around the tops of the legs. And I'll do the same thing on these parts here. I'm going to add some more little broken lines just kind of right around the edge or the sides of the legs here, just for some details. You can always add a couple more coming down in some different spots. Back here on the body, I'm just going to add these kind of curved lines going down for some texture and detail. And then I'm going to add some little spikes right along the edge of this. Want to make a nice little long line. It's going to kind of curve up and then down here. And then another one's going to go around there. Then I'm just going to add a couple little lines to just kind of curve right around here. And then I'm just going to add a couple little broken lines kind of coming around here. I'll add a couple little kind of curved lines right along the side there. Little line here, and then just a few little extra lines kind of right around the body. Maybe add a couple more right around the arms and everything, just for some detail. And there you go. There's your drawing of Kamacuras from Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.